Say hello. Bye, Chut. This video is about my diving experience in Nusa Penida with Blue Corner Dive. As I have mentioned, I am an advanced open water diver who is an amateur, and I have dived at multiple locations across the world. This is the third time I am diving in Indonesia, and I'm gonna tell you everything about my dive experience. What all did I see, how much did it cost, and which dive center do I recommend.
I will set up your gear.
Yeah, sure.
So you're not like getting
On the boat.
well,
Yeah. You have my fin?
No.
Should I carry my fin?
Oh wait. I'm going to put it in the box.
Alright, thanks. Bye. I wanted to do scuba diving in Nusa Penida, especially to spot some Manta Rays and Mola Mola. I saw them 10 years ago in one of my dives in Andaman Nicobar. That's where I dived for the first time. Hello, Effie.
Hello.
Okay everyone, welcome to our boat. The name of this boat is Manta Ray. It's important we remember, just in case we get separated on the surface and need to pull the boat back. Manta Ray. On board today we have Captain Wayan and two member Monday. Good morning.
Hi guys.
Good morning. We have myself, my name is Shannon. We have Chut as well, our instructor, and Emmy as well at dive master. Today we will be going to Crystal Bay first. It's about a 10-minute boat ride from here. After the dive at Crystal Bay, we will have our surface interval, and then we will go to Manta Point, okay? Manta Point is about 40 minutes on the south of the island after, okay? And then we'll come back to the dive shop, aiming to be back around the dive shop at like 1 o'clock, yeah? In between the dives we have lunch, tea, coffee, water, some biscuits as well. Everything for a service interval. We also have all of our emergency equipment today, so we have an oxygen kit underneath, first aid kit in the black tub. We have a marine radio and mobile phone with the captain, and then we have all of our spare equipment like up in the front here, yeah? So we have everything we need on board. We do not have a toilet on board, as you can see, but we do have the ocean. So if you need to use the bathroom, just let us know. We'll put down the ladder on this side, and you can do your business in the ocean, yeah? Please don't put in your wetsuit, because you guys have to wash your wetsuits afterwards. So strokes on you, yeah? If you pee in the wetsuit. That's all. Just stay seated while the boat is moving, not too much moving around, so the captain can steer the boat and see properly. When we are going to Manta Point, we'll just ask you to sit at the back of the boat, just because it's less bumpy, so it's a bit more comfortable at the back. Cool? Okay. Amazing. Jalan.
I decided to go with Blue Corner Dive by a friend's recommendation. While Penida has a lot of hi-fi or nice-looking dive centers, I picked the one basis a referral. As you can see that the boat picked up us from the dive center, and we had two dive spots. One was Crystal Bay, another was Manta Point.
Okay. Good. On the way. Yeah. You ready? Let's go, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go!
Crystal Bay is known for crystal clear water and sightings of Mola Mola or sunfish. The only thing that was annoying was the boat sound. It's a little crowded. Also, I highly recommend visiting the beach for the beautiful sunsets. I love diving here. It had a lot of schools. Couldn't see the Mola Mola, but the water was really clean.
These guys are going for a nice little romantic dance dive together, so they're working with us.
Our next diving spot was Manta Point. It's a manta cleaning station where small fishes clean the manta rays.
Like back out if you one at a time, so I'll go first and then Paul and then you River. And then alright guys, are we ready?
Okay. So again, on my count,
Go
on the
one
go,
at
yeah?
a time, so wait until I say go
So next
from the
position,
water,
Paul.
okay?
And the left
I'll go
hand,
first
this
and then
left,
Paul
left,
and then
okay?
you at the end River, okay?
When you're ready, stretch your straight, little bit, back. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Hold on. Go!
The water was a little murky. I saw at least 4 manta rays, a bamboo shark, some stingrays, and other tiny fishes, and a lot of cleaning stations here and there. Manta Point can get a little difficult to reach due to the waves and current, and sometimes boats don't go there because of the weather. Another thing that I did not like about Manta Point was there was around 100 divers and snorkelers just over the diving station, which is not really good for the marine life. It pissed me and Shannon as well. After seeing the Manta Ray, now my experience with Blue Corner Dive was really good. I really like all the dive master and instructor. They considered safety as top priority. Overall, I really like them and I really recommend them. For 2 dives, a boat trip and lunch, I paid them around 1.6 million Indonesian rupiah, which is around 9,500 or 104 US dollars. For DSD, they charged 2 million Indonesian rupiah, which is around 11,000 rupees or 120 US dollar. A tad bit expensive, but for the kind of security and the kind of care they give, it is worth it. One small feedback, the lunch can be a little better, though I liked it, but it seemed like namesake. I make helpful content around travel, so in case you like this or if you have any questions, just drop a comment, I reply to all of them.